This week I thought I would show you how I made my guillotine dies. The first one will be a butcher tool, the second will be a V-notch fuller. As you can see, I've already marked up the pieces. The butcher will be a simple 45-degree angle cut with a little bit of grinder work. The V-notch will be a harder cut with some harder cleanup afterwards. This leftover piece will be a future project that I will talk about later on in the video. First up, the butcher tool. Let's get started. Here's the butcher block after I got it cut. Cut's not the greatest, but it'll work. Now off to the grinding. Here's the butcher after I got it cleaned up. I think it comes out pretty good. I'm satisfied with it. Next up, V-notch fuller. Let's get started. Start off with the center punch. I'm going to drill a hole right in the middle just to make it a little easier for when I get to the middle of that cut on those two corners. About now is when I realized that the power switch has gone out on my angle grinder and I had to pull the cord to turn it off. I just moved the cutting disc to the older grinder and kept going. Okay, here's the final two dies. The butcher came out pretty good, as you can see. It lines up just right. I did have to do a little bit of work with the grinder to get it to come out perfect, but I'm really happy with it. The V-notch, that came out pretty good. I'm happy with that one too. Now for the next project, I'm going to go and cut a couple notches in here, and then I'm going to square it up so I literally can have a 1-inch square. But that'll be on the next project, so stay tuned.